Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Komodo Luxury. I am a friend. I'm one of the Komodo Luxury's team. Right now I am in Labuan Bajo. As you know, Labuan Bajo is one of the most popular destination in the last couple years in Indonesia. And right now I'm currently on LaMain Voyage. This is one of the most luxury boat here in Labuan Bajo. So guys, first of all, I would like to say thanks to the boat builder who already built this boat perfectly. And then next, I would like to tell you the boat specification. So the length of this boat is 41.5 meters, which is almost 42 meters. And the width of the boat is 7.9 meters. Okay guys, so this boat has 8 cabins in total with 4 different type of cabin and with maximum capacity of 20 people. Okay, before we hop to the cabins of the boat, I'm going to show you the public area first. Yeah, follow me. Okay, so this is one of the public area which also can be used as an outdoor restaurant. So you guys can have breakfast, lunch and dinner here, and also have drinks, of course. You can also chill here at night. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you another public area which is located inside here. Which is also can be used as an indoor restaurant. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. So now I'm at the indoor public area, which also can be used as an indoor restaurant. So as you can see, guys, the room is pretty huge here. Especially, I love the window right over there, on the right, left side, also in the front side, which is very huge. So you can see the view perfectly. So we got some facilities here in the indoor restaurant, such as bar. And also a table right over here. So also, as you can see, we have smart TV and a huge speaker up here and one down here. You can also do karaoke. Okay, so this room has such a comfortable sofa right here, and also we do have a chiller. You can keep your drinks here, and also we got dispenser right here. So, okay guys, as I told you, this boat has 8 cabins in total with 4 different type of cabin. So, there are 2 upstairs or on the upper deck. They are master cabin and VIP cabin. And another 2 right here, they are deluxe. So both type are deluxe on the deck where I'm standing right now. And there are 4 downstairs here or on the lower deck, and all are superior type. Okay, so now I'm at the stair that takes you to the upper deck where the public area, where the cabins are also, and the captain rooms. So as you can see here, we got a public area. It's a very spacey, and it has bean bags on the sides, on that side, and you can sit here enjoying the view at daytime, watching the star at night time. Just awesome. So now I want to show you the captain's room right over here. Please follow me. So here we go. So this is the captain's room. Hello, captain.
Hello.
Okay, and then now let's go. I'm gonna show you the master cabin. Okay guys, here we go. Now I'm here on the master cabin or on the upper deck, and as you can see, the room is pretty huge. And here behind me, the bed is so cozy. You can see there, and we got the sofa right over here. And again, the windows is so huge where you can see the view perfectly. And we also got workspace here. And then the sliding doors is right over here that takes you to the balcony. Balcony also has a jacuzzi, so this is what makes the room so unique. So now I want to show you how the bedroom looks like. Follow me. So this is the bedroom or the restroom. The shower is right over here, so the shower is already equipped with the water heater, and also we got Bespoke right over here. Okay guys, so I'm still here on the upper deck, and now I'm going to show you the VIP cabin. Here we go. Wow, so again the room is so huge, and all the details just look awesome. And we got a workspace right over here, so you can also work while on your holiday. Why not? The sliding doors here that takes you to the balcony. So it's a bit smaller than the one we show on the master cabin, but again you can see the view from here. Okay, so I want to show you the bedroom right over here. It's also quite big, but not as big as the one we saw in the master cabin. So you get Bespoke and also water heater here. So guys, I forget to tell you that on this boat, in its cabin has a cupboard. So we got a little one right here, and a charging station just next to your bed, and also we got a huge one over here. So in every cabin we have them all. Okay guys, so here we go. Now I'm at the middle deck area, and then I'm going to show you one of the deluxe cabin. Okay, so here we go. The cabin is pretty huge too. We got a cupboard, same as in the other cabin I just showed you, and then we got a workspace right over here, but the room doesn't have any balcony, but you can also see the view from here through the huge windows. And then we got a toilet for the restroom right over here. It's also pretty huge. The Bespoke, water heater again, and then small windows, you can see the view while taking shower. Okay guys, so now I'm here still in the middle deck, and then now I want to show you the cabins down there. They are super cabins. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. As you can see guys, so this is the lower deck. So on this deck there are 4 cabins, and then I'm going to show you one of them. So this is the superior cabin, one of the superior cabin here on the lower deck. Okay guys, so this cabin is very spacey. As you can see, we got a big, quite big cupboard right over here, and also we got a small one over there just next to the bed with the charging station on the top. And also we got a space for work here, and then so the toilet is right here, and we got a shower. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back here on the middle deck, and I'm gonna show you the rooftop on this boat. where you can chill also during sunset time or night time, watching the star. Yeah, let's go. So guys, now here it's getting a bit dark because the sun is just set a few minutes ago. We started a bit late today, but before we close this boat tour video, I'm going to show you. So I'm right now on the rooftop. So this is how it looks like. It's very spacey. Yeah. So you can see 360 degrees views from here, from the rooftop. Okay guys, so the rooftop part was the last part of our boat tour session today. And then for more information, for reservation, simply click our official website below. And thank you so much. See you on board.